Hello everyone, we are RST, the Ranjan Singh team out to explore the unexplored Odisha, and today we are on to Khandadhar Falls. All the information about these falls you can find out from the internet. Here we are just to share our experience and hope you enjoy with all of us. The Khandadhar Nature Camp offers an absolutely exquisite view of the waterfall right from your cottages. So after enjoying this exquisite view, let us move on towards the falls. And you have to climb more than 650 steps to be close to the falls. What an amazing view! सारी थकान उतर गई। इतनी सीढ़ियाँ चढ़कर आए, एकदम भूल गए। मज़ा आ गया, वाटरफॉल के इतने पास आ गए। मगर बिना पानी में पैर डाले हुए वापस कैसे जाएं? तो चलिए थोड़ा पानी में पैर डाल के आते हैं। Let us touch our toes and dip them in the chilled water. फॉल से वापस आने के बाद अगर कॉफ़ी मिल जाती मज़ा आ जाता, लेकिन ये कैफ़े अभी शुरू नहीं हुआ तो हमें तो नहीं मिली, बट आई एम श्योर व्हेन यू विजिट ओवर हियर दिस कैफ़े, दिस अमेजिंगली ब्यूटीफुल कैफ़े is going to welcome you with refreshing coffee and some amazing snacks. But we can still enjoy the view over here and explore the cafe. और शाम के बाद आती है खूबसूरत सी रात. So what does the night bring for us? Of course, there's campfire and there is karaoke. And you know, all our meals over here are prepared on firewood, out in the open, so they have an absolutely delicious taste to them. Try it out. And yes, don't miss out on our visit to a mini Punjab in Odisha in the end. Take care everyone. Bye bye. See you next time.